If you're looking for a high quality, solid brass knob for your cabinets, kitchen hardware, other places around the house, this is a great solution. The QOGRISUN 10-pack solid brass cabinet knobs. We've put these on our cabinets downstairs, and we couldn't ask for a better quality product. They are very strong and sturdy to open up cabinets. Just love the look and the feel of them. They have a very smooth finish. They're 1 inch in diameter, and there is a screw, just one screw on the other side, and so they tighten down really solid and just provide this real classy look. So if you can see our cabinets here, we've got them on our cabinets, and just love how these really pop out and stand out from the cabinets. This has just been a great solution for this part of our home, and I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching my review.